Narrator, every day, the sun rises and a new opportunity awaits. Narrator, motivation and inspiration are the driving forces that ignite our inner drive. Narrator, they push us forward, helping us to overcome obstacles and achieve great things. Narrator, but sometimes, our inner drive fades, and we find ourselves feeling lost or stuck. Narrator, that's when we need to find ways to reignite our passion and unleash our true potential. Narrator, seek out sources that inspire you, whether it's attending workshops or reading books. Narrator, fill your surroundings with positive affirmations that remind you of your abilities. Narrator, take time each day to find inner peace and clarity through activities like meditation. Narrator, giving back and helping others not only brings joy but also fuels your inner drive. Narrator, visualize your dreams and create a vision board to keep you focused and motivated. Narrator, don't be afraid to take risks and embrace challenges, that's where growth happens. Narrator, celebrate your victories, big or small, as they fuel your motivation to achieve even more. Narrator, remember, it's never too late to ignite your inner drive and unleash your true potential. Narrator, so, embrace the power of motivation and inspiration in your life, and watch yourself soar to unimaginable heights. Narrator, thank you for watching Unleashing the Potential, Ignite Your Inner Drive. Narrator, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos that will empower and uplift you. Narrator, never stop believing in yourself. You have the power to create the life you love. Narrator, join us on this incredible journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Together, we can achieve greatness. Narrator, thanks for watching.